I know these little Mackenzie Childs dupes have been really popular. Dollar Tree has them in two different colors. We've got this kind of blue green, and then they had a pink. I am only seeing the blue green color. So, all that to say, I am obsessed with mugs. I may have a drinking problem. Well, at least a mug drinking problem. So, I collect them. I don't know about you, but I love all of these mugs. But we are moving. I don't know if you've followed me for a while. If you haven't, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. But we are moving. And so I donated every single one of these adorable mugs. And I want to show you where I found them for sale at the Goodwill where I donated them and what they're asking for them. So I was a little bit shocked. I went in here actually because I accidentally donated one of my daughter's favorite tumblers. So I was in big trouble. We came back the very next day to look for the tumbler, and they didn't have it anymore. So I had to find another one to replace for her off of Facebook Marketplace. But all is well. We found her a replacement tumbler. But in the meantime, when we were looking for her tumbler that we had accidentally donated, boom, there was one of my mugs. I was like, oh my gosh, I love this mug all over again. Isn't it funny how, like, do you ever have like a garage sale and you sell yourself on all the things you have for sale over again, and you're like, oh, but I love this and this is why. But anyway, I also found these. I was like, I donated these Holly Hobby glasses. I know they're adorable. I had 5, so I didn't have a complete set for my table setting. So I went ahead and parted ways with them. We're truly, truly downsizing. And so many things weren't able to come with me. And I was super sad about it. And so I was just kind of glancing because I'm also obsessed with plates and serveware. And I saw this Christmas pattern and I was like, oh, I love that. And then I remembered quickly that what am I doing? I can't shop. I'm supposed to be looking for my daughter's tumbler this whole time. But I was like, I love all this. And I love these little glass ramekins with the little Tupperware lids. Perfect for just about anything. So I am taking you shopping a little bit with me in between here because I did get a little ADHD distracted moments thrifting. I love the M on this little colorful wine glass. And I don't know about you, but I love a good wine glass. I don't drink wine anymore, but I do put ice in there with my carbonated water, like my soda water. I love it. Makes me feel fancy. So these 2 Christmas dishes I also donated, and I was like, oh my gosh, they already have them for sale. Those are so cute. Yeah. So no, I did not donate this mug or that Christmas tree mug that I first showed you. I was just distracted and loved them. I spotted another thing that I had donated. We had some really cute things in the bathroom in that picture there. And then it gets better, y'all. So there's these really cute ramekins. I did love these. I could not get them again. I'm really trying so hard not to buy anything. But those were adorable. And no, I did not donate those. But now, this was a project we did together. It's a peel and stick project. I put it on an rolling pin and I added my signature messy bow here. I'll link this video if you missed it, but voila, it's right there. I had to donate the rolling pin and they have it here at a steal. Like, I think they get stuck with the price tag and then they just don't change it. It said like $3.59 or something, and I'm like, the rolling pin alone is worth that. I digress. It's so depressing the way they price these things. So I am glancing here and I see this really cute. I love all things birds. So this really caught my eye, the corner of my eye. I saw this little bird tower. So cute. It was sparkly with like diamond dust on it. Perfect for Christmas. And then I saw another thing I donated. I'm super distracted. I was like, I loved this little pot, but you know, when you're moving, it's just hard with so many breakable things. And then my husband accidentally donated that little greenery that they decided looked good in the pot. So I was like, there's my pot and there's my greenery that wasn't supposed to be donated. It's just chaos over here, I have to admit. Moving over 50 is not for the faint of heart, especially after you've lived in the same place for about 13, 14 years. So I spotted these. I donated these out of my crafting supply. They're from the Dollar Tree. And what to my wondering eyes did appear but a $3.59 price tag for each one. Somebody is crazy pants. And speaking of crazy pants, these Dollar Tree pillar candles came out of my craft stash. Look at how yellowed and worn out this one is. It kind of melted in my garage. Dollar Tree, old, used, not used, sorry, but old and really not in good shape. And they've got $3.59 on it again. I'm telling you, someone went crazy with the pricing gun and was just like super lazy. It kind of super irritates me. And so they put $3.59 on all of them. And look, this was an adorable project I did with those candles one Christmas with the birch log effect. I stenciled them and boom, look there they are. I found them. I found the other ones, all the ones I donated. Oh my gosh, I have to laugh. These are like 5 years old. I stenciled the birch log look on there. And again, those are even burned. They're even burned. And guess what price they are? Drop it in the comments. Drop it in the comments. I bet you can guess. All right, so again, some Christmas stuff. And the reason I wanted to kind of spend a minute on the Christmas stuff is to tell you, when we started donating things that were Christmas, they started saying, "Oh, we're not taking any more Christmas. We're not taking any more Christmas." And I'm like, people buy Christmas year round. Am I wrong? Just let me know in the comments what your opinion is. But I thought those little candied apples were absolutely adorable. They had a little bit of fall, and then again, another Christmas tree mug. I think I could have an entire collection with the ones that I saw here. So cute. I did not donate them, but they could have easily come home with me if I wasn't trying to keep myself in check. And then I saw some regular spring decor. I love this little be yourself sign. And then these really cute blue bonnet looking flowers I thought were really cute too for a bookshelf. And I just had to hold myself back. But listen, my friend, I appreciate you so much for watching. And if you like videos like these, follow along for the next set. I'll see you on the next video.